that you're drunk. Tell me what you want after this club. You know you're nasty. Don't Uber ride at my house, you call a taxi. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me
Hi my loves, and welcome back to my channel. So you guys, we're just gonna jump right into today's video. We will be installing this wig from UNice Hair. So thank you to UNice Hair for sponsoring today's video. So this is a V-part. This is going to be probably like my third V-part wig that I've actually tried out. This wig is so full. Like, I believe this is 200% density. This wig is just so beautiful. Like, look at this wig, y'all. It's so long, it is so full, and I just love just the volume of it, honestly. Like, it's just so pretty. So this wig does come with combs in the front, and it has 2 combs on the side, and then it also has a comb in the back as well. I decided to install this wig, y'all, because I've never had a body wave V-part wig. I'm gonna have to put heat on my leave out today, which I'm pretty sad about, but it's gonna be okay. And I have no heat protector. So I've been watching like other girls' videos on these V-part wigs, and nobody mentioned if they washed the wig before installing it. A lot of people's install, I was seeing them just throw the wig on out of the box. So this wig is not washed. This is literally how the wig came. Hopefully that doesn't like interfere with the install today. So I already parted my hair the way I want, like how much hair I want it to be out. So I left out a lot of my hair on the side, mostly on the top part of my hair, because I will be doing a middle part. The rest of my hair is in braids. As for the leave out, as y'all can see, my hair was in braids, so it's like really curly right now, and we don't want this to be curly because we have to blend this in.
You're drunk. Tell me what you want after this club. You know you're nasty. Don't Uber ride at my house, you call a taxi. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. First things first, let me get that introduction. We on a long road to self-destruction. You were so in love, you weren't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, cause I had no idea. I feel like I did too much. Let's get naughty on. Yeah, I need all. I feel like I did too much. Yeah, let's party on. Yeah, I need all. We on a long road to self-destruction. You were so in love, you weren't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, cause I had no idea. I'm feeling like I did too much. Let's get naughty on. Yeah, I need all. I'm feeling like I did too much.
I finished one side of my hair, and I've just been playing around with it because I want layers in here, so I want this to really look layered. But the only problem that I'm having is that my hair, my leave out, is just not curling. So honestly, y'all, I may get a little bit of heat damage because my hair is not heat trained, and I never put heat on my hair. So that's the only problem that I'm having with this leave out. But y'all, this hair, do y'all see this? I didn't do this side yet. Y'all can probably tell, but this side right here just looks so freaking good. Like, can y'all see this? Do y'all see this? This is bringing me back to when I used to get my sew-ins. Like, I used to get sew-ins all the time. I'm gonna do this side now.
I know that you're drunk. Tell me what you want after this club. You know you're nasty. Don't move right in my house, you call a taxi. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. First things first, let me get that introduction. We on a long road to self-destruction.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, ride and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl.